everyone, it's Ben Hardy here, and today we're going to be doing the third episode of Modified Monday. We are at Will's Auto Repair for this particular episode. Riley's getting a new exhaust on his car, but let's just get right into that. Before we get into the main part of this video, this is one of the truck builds that they're doing. This thing is super sweet. And it actually has, I don't have the key on me, but it's, you see that there's no door handles here. You press the key fob and the door literally pops open. It's really cool. But you can see the overall design of this truck. They do a lot of restorations on classic trucks and all that kind of stuff. But let's just get right into the video now. We've got all the parts right here. It's a catback exhaust system with a J-pipe. Riley spent his whole life savings to make his car louder. Just kidding, but it's going to be exciting to see what it sounds like after he's done with all this. Got everything unboxed now here. We've got the whole exhaust system out in the open. And then we're going to put the car up on this lift here, and then we're going to start putting everything in. Well, not we, those two over there. I'm just going to sit here and watch. So we've got the stock exhaust system under here, so you guys can see it before they replace everything. But the biggest difference you're going to notice is you can see the mufflers back here on both of them. I mean, these are absolutely massive compared to the aftermarket ones, so hopefully it's going to be a lot louder. That's the dream. Making progress here. We got the back part of the exhaust off and got a few other things to take off now, but doing pretty well so far. Quick update, we've got the old exhaust all out. We have the new one kind of put together there. A little bit of a problem though, so that with the new exhaust over here, the front part, it has 3 O2 sensors, whereas the old one only has 2. So we're probably just gonna have to put the front part back in and connect that with the new exhaust, and then he's gonna have to order out a new part for the front. We've got some good news update right here. The kit actually came with a plug that we just found, so we're still good to go with everything, and we're gonna get this all put on now. So we just got the J-pipe all installed up here, and then we're gonna put the rest of the exhaust down in a minute. Got Riley back there, but it should be fun. I'm excited to hear it once it all starts up. Just finished putting the rest of the cat back on. We're gonna get a quick start up with the car before we put everything else on and put it down the lift, just to make sure that nothing's leaking on it. Got Riley up there trying to get in the car now. We're lowering down the WRX now. Everything's put back in place at this point. Then we're going to get another startup, and Riley's going to change the tune on it, so we're going to get a little bit more power out of it as well. Riley is just putting on the tune to the car right now, so he had to turn it on just to do that. And then once he gets the tune done, then I'll get a couple drive-by shots with it, and then he's going to be all excited because the car's going to be a little bit quicker than what it was prior. We're about to pop in and see how it drives. I can show you guys what I'm talking about with this door. So you press the key, pops open like that. It's cool. Yeah, this truck is super sweet. What do you guys think? Should I do an episode of Modified Monday on that? Leave that down in the comment section below. And there we have it, everyone, our third episode of Modified Monday. Again, thank you everyone so much for watching. If you are stopping in for the first time, I'd really appreciate it if you subscribe, comment down below what you think, and then I will see all of you in that next video.